it's the monkey. Wait, it's the monkey.
We're at the monkey farm.
There are so many monkeys all around. It is kind of crazy.
One already came at Beeli. They saw the black bag, which they store their treats.
And they were like, I want some. And I was like, you can't have any. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let's go explore.
You made contact. He's like claiming me as his own.
Okay, it's officially Beeli story time.
So after Lars and I visited the first monkey temple, we decided to explore down this other path and visit the other group of monkeys that is very territorial over their own space, and they don't come into the other temple that we were in. And as we're walking, all the attendants are like, you know, awesome, have an amazing time and be safe. And we're like, okay, you know, we are aware, we don't want to get attacked by monkeys. And as we're walking, this one little monkey is like looking at us in the middle of the path. And then we walk past it, and Lars is like, hey, I think it's like following you. And I'm like, okay. I'm like, what do I do? And he's like, just act calm. So I'm just walking, and then it climbs up on me, and it's just like holding me here. And then just like, I think it's going to get something on my head and like hold on to something there. But no, it literally just wanted to like cling to me the whole time. So for probably like a good, I don't know, 3.5 minutes, this monkey is just like clinging to me, completely at ease. Meanwhile, I am trying to not make eye contact and just remain calm. But it was a nice little friend and an adventure I did not expect to have.
So I'm learning that Beeli's an avid football fan right here. And the Super Bowl is playing today. And she has put down some serious cash on this outcome.
The trajectory of our trip depends on me winning this bet.
Love it.
So I'm waiting to hear back.
If not.
And if they say that my team lost, I have to go back to the States immediately.
You're broke here. You can't even leave. You can't afford a flight.
I can't even afford a flight. I'm actually going to be in Lars's bag on the way back.
I love it. Well, this is what we're doing while we're waiting for a ride up to our next place.
Yes.
We finished exploring this amazing monkey forest, found a waterfall. That honestly was an unexpected surprise for me.
Yeah. It was very nice because the grounds are so large. So you can go through the forest, you can visit one of the numerous temples, and then there is a path down to a waterfall with a pretty big stream running through it and river. And then all of the attendants have been really friendly and nice. There are a number of, you know, people here that are just trying to kind of like force you to get them to pay you to take their photo.
Yeah.
But they're pretty respectful when you like say no.
You can kindly say no. And then we just went about and kind of self-served our own little tour, which was fun. How much was it to get in here?
It was $75 each, so it's about $4. Yeah.
A must do, 100%.
Yes.
So they have something called Grab here, if you're not familiar. It's like in the States, we have Lyft and Uber. We could not find someone to give us a ride up. It's about an hour and a half north of here. We couldn't find anybody. So Beeli, how did you get us a ride?
I went over and asked one of the attendants and said, hey, we're looking to go here. Do you know anyone who has a car that could take us? And one thing that we love about Indonesia is that everyone knows someone who can get you anything that you need. And so she's like, I know 2 people, let me call them. And sure enough, one of her friends is free and is going to pick us up in like 5 minutes. So we're going to meet someone new who was not expecting to hang out with us, but we're very thankful for that.
I love it. And Beeli did her hardcore negotiation skills and got us a discount. So
there we go.
We love it.
24 US to go an hour and a half.
That's wild.
By car.
Is this our ride?
Remind me of your name? Agun. Agun, the superhero, just came to save us.
Thank you for saving us.
Agun, thank you.
Thank you.
This is going to be such a blessing. So long. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome. Are you from where today?
We came from Ubud.
Ubud.
Bye.
See you soon.
Thank you. Bye. Made it.
So much stuff.
Like I claim this. Okay, have a nice day here.
Yes, safe travels.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes, thank you. Bye bye.
Talk to you later. How you feeling, Billy?
Look at your little.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Someone just walked by with a plate of food and now I'm hungry.
I am starving, but this view, unbelievable.
Stunning. I just love how every place that we arrive to, there's an initial impression and then you get in deeper and it's like a little oasis.
Yeah, first we got by the side of the road and you couldn't tell what this place was. And then you saw it check in, tons of stairs, and you come down to this.
Just a very fun hangout spot.
No, I love it. I could see ourselves hanging out here for a bit.
We need to show them the view.
Okay, we'll show them the view. This is magical. Watch.
Wow, this is our tent.
Thank you so much. Made it?
We made it!
How was the journey?
It was adventurous. Through drizzles of rain, passing cars, and then some unpaved road. I think we got Lars with the full Indonesia experience on his first motorbike.
It was crazy, but so fun. Took me a second to get used to everything, but once I did, easy peasy. Beeli was a great instructor. The only part was we were going straight down the hill. My right brake stopped working, so I had to pump it a couple times, and it started working again. So that was a little sketchy.
He survived!
Yay! Now off to the waterfall. Birthday girl!
We had yoga, we went on a motorbike, now we're on a waterfall.
This is Beeli's numerous birthday activities for the day. Are these what you're looking for?
That's exactly.
Oh, you already found him.
Exactly
You already found him.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you! This looks amazing!
Yay!
There we go.
Yay!
Thank you! Are you kidding me? It's time for a little birthday cake.
Birthday cake! Whose birthday is it?
Yours, right?
No. Yours!
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Glad you were born.
Dude, I am glad to be born too.
Beeli, what time is it?
Smoothie time.
Smoothie time. I went a little wild this morning ordering, but I have no regrets.
And you also knew exactly what you wanted.
So this is my cacao smoothie. I don't know how it happened, but now I have this tradition here in Bali that every morning I get a smoothie, and it's been fantastic.
What a good tradition.
It's been my reward for working out. That's what I'm calling it.
That's good. That means
Yeah.
that we're gonna have to find a way to work out
Okay,
every
you
day.
ready? I'm okay with that. What did you get, Beeli?
I got the classic nasi goreng, which is their fried egg with some savory noodles or rice. These classic, like, fish rice cakes, and then some fresh veg.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Reunited with Agun. Thank you so much.
Yes, welcome.